Hello traders, Arbab is here. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to tell you about a trade which I took on Thursday, 27th of the July on Euro USDT. As you've seen on this day, there was a news as well and a huge fall of on this Euro USD and many other pairs like gold, GBP USDT or any USD pair. So why I took this trade and how you can make setup on this trade, because these setup mostly happen in the market in any pair. It's even indices, even it's our forex pair or anything else. So make sure you watch this video. It will be a very going to informative and a very deeply I'm going to show you how you can mark out this type of trade. So today is a Friday, the last day of the week, and market is still open and it's the New York session going on. Today I didn't was active, so I didn't take any trade because Thursday was a great day for me and I only find an opportunity to trade, not trade every day. So okay, let's jump to the point why I took this trade. As you see, market is trending. Okay, as you see, market is trending, so everybody thinking for a uptrend. Why? Because there, if you even do a SMC or even you do a what we call ICT, everybody are finding here for a buy trade, because if you see an optimal trade entry or any fair value gap or any market structure shift or any break of structure, everybody is finding here for a buy. But what I see that help me, I also seeing here for buy, because this in Asia session I found on a great optimal entry where I took from here on to the upside. Okay, if you did not see my optimal trade entry, you can watch my video in my YouTube channel. Okay, because also on Wednesday there was a news which is a huge spike at the 2 p.m. of local New York time, and after it Asia open and Asia make a setup like a optimal trade entry. Everybody is thinking that market is go upside, and here they're thinking that market, if we are going to do by Fibonacci level here to here, market will come again to this level and go upside. But it doesn't happen, because market take a fuel and make a huge downfall. This one, why this happen, why I took this trade, why I took the counter trade on this one. Okay, let me tell you something very important. If your daily is high, is going upside. Okay, what I said if your daily is a bullish, okay, then you will go to the 4-hour time frame and you see if is your 4-hour time frame also bullish. Okay, one daily is also your bullish, 4-hour also your bullish. Okay, in 15 minutes you will come and see, is it bullish? Yes, is it bullish? Okay, khalas. Now you have to see that is the price where it's going, it have to stop somewhere else. Is there any POI or any liquidity area or any you say order block, any fair value gap, their price can be reacted, because price also go by a wave, not by directly shoot upside, it's also go by a wavely. Okay, so you have, if you are marking your structure on 15-minute or a 5-minute, you must know where it can be stop or where it can be give us a little reaction, even it's in a minutes. Okay, so you have to find out the high time frame narratives. You must know the high time frame narrative. Most people or most traders fail due to they did not know the high time frame narratives. Okay, so here what happened in this big consolidate, in this big frame here. Okay, what happened, I see generally in Asia time during this optimal trade entry. Okay, optimal trade entry, the price is somewhere here. When I just do down backside and I find out something like this. This is 24th of July, Monday. Okay, this is the London session, and I see here in London opening, after London open, a huge move to the downside. Okay, Asia was a consolidate. Asia was with the consolidate period you see, and London go upside, take out the upside liquidity, and a huge downfall. But why this huge downfall happened here? If I see backside, these London took out the liquidity of all previous day, Asia, London and New York, okay, and also the same day Asia high, okay. So once the market take out the liquidity and spike down, it means someone is sitting here who sell the price and the market fall down, right? Because if you see the previous day London, there was not a much movement here. If there is not a movement, it means that retail traders are buying and selling and they are stopping out, and the big guy is sitting here they collect all stop loss and make a hit. Once this happen, if you found any move which is like this spike, in future there will be a high probability that these order block, these area of interest, POI or whatever you said, this one, it will be a more reactable in future. But it doesn't mean that you took the entry blindly, okay. You have to be what is called you have to be disciplined and rule based, okay. You should not change your rules and everything, okay. So, and the next day, yani on 27th of July, this London session took out the liquidity of 23 of July, okay, whatever this, okay, liquidity, okay. Once it take out the liquidity, and I saw around when the price was here, I saw this setup, I suddenly what I do, I mark out this area, okay, this POI, and price tap here, okay. I took entry here and also in break even I close. I will tell you what happened exactly. 1 minute, I will, what I do, I go again 5 minutes and I will show you with the bar replay. It can be a very helpful for you. Okay, I'm in the 5 minute. I was in a 5 minute. Basically, I do a trading in 5 minute, 1 minute or 15 minute. So, okay, price was tap here and then I shift into the 1 minute time frame. And I start to find out the a valid reason to buy for me like as per SMC, okay. So for me, and I also teaching as you see my first video on smart money SMC, that and also in later I will explain you, because in this video something maybe you don't understand about technically, which I'm going to explain here, okay. I'm in a 1 minute time frame. If my price tap to any POI, that one should be from higher time frame, as 5 minute time frame POI this one, and 1 minute my price touch to this PI. So what I want here in 1 minute, price was moving upside, okay, price change of character, okay, then create an inducement and take this inducement, and from here an extreme or anywhere here, or took out the liquidity of this inducement, then price move downside and I will buy from here, okay. The first scenario, this one for me, okay. The second one is also a very one which is called a flip entry. Many of one is don't know what is that flip entry. When price change from demand to supply or supply to demand, okay, as per price action, you will sell on that basis, okay. The third one is also the single candle mitigation, okay. So in the latter I will also explain, I will make video on this, because my SMC lecture series are start. So you must subscribe this channel, because in this channel I explain all about trading, which will help you to be a consistent profitable, okay, for me. And second one, price is moving upside, okay. For a buyer, for a bullish buyer, this one is the order block where he can think price will come here and go upside, right? Okay. So price come, give a little bit reaction and fail, okay. This is called, this is the demand, here is the order block which give these a little bit reaction and fail. This demand in fail and become a supply, okay. Once it's become a supply, what I need here, I need an inducement. Remember the point, you need an inducement, okay. But only in where the liquidity has been taken, there you don't need an inducement, but on all cases you must need an inducement, or otherwise you can enter aggressively, but your risk will be a little higher and reward will be as same, okay. So Here I need an inducement, then take out this inducement, and here these order block I will consider as my POI, and I sell for my risk to reward or as per my plan. Understood? Here is my POI. Okay, this also. Or sometime what happen, this area, this leg, forget about this area, this leg, last one, this area go upside, sweep this high, it's as inducement, give a single candle order block, single candle mitigation, and where we can also sell by like this. Okay, like this. Maybe you sometime miss the entry, maybe sometime your SL hit, but you have to stick with your row. What is the great thing about SMC? Their stop loss is very small, like 5 pip in EURUSD or GPP 5 pip, 4 pip, 3 pip. So if you do a calculate on if you're taking a one lot, or for example 0.5 even, and if you think if you do a 3 continue losses, okay, with the one standard lot, so $50, $50, $50. If for example your stop loss is $5, $50, $50, 150, and if your one trade is win with the 20 pips, you make $200, and you also in a profitable in the end of the month. Believe me, just follow the rules, stick with the rules. At the end, you will be a profitable. Trading is not about strategy. Trading is about a mindset, psychology. Remember this mind. Once you understand this, most important point, psychology, you will be a profitable. Okay, if you are using a moving average, RSI, whatever, no problem. Use that one. I'm not against the price action trader or any indicator trader, but must follow the rules. Okay, any strategy, follow at least 1 month. Try on demo, practice on back testing. It will be more confident you follow the trade, because sometimes you also find the entry but you miss. Why? You don't have enough confidence to do this one. Okay, so here price tab, okay, price tab, and what happened, I found here a change of character, because this is a valid pullback in the term of SMC. Okay, this is a valid pullback, and just a moment, sorry for interruption. Okay, here change of character as per SMC, because it's a valid pullback. Okay, so now what happened, sorry, my bad, it was not a valid pullback, that's why I also here break even. I will tell you, this is my mistake here. Okay, what happened, many people, I also think sometime I didn't watch carefully that time, because market is moving as this is my change of character, but it was not my change of character, because this was not a valid pullback here. As you seen, I tell you in the previous video, if you see on the last Friday, there was a video on a valid pullback. The in upside movement, the next candle should take out the previous candle low, sweep the low or close below it, doesn't matter. For a valid pullback, but in this case this is a green big candle, no one is take out the liquidity. Okay, so there is no valid pullback. So here was the valid pullback here. Okay, so I confused here, and also think about this one flip entry, because here price give a little bit reaction, trap the people. Okay, as you see, is give a little bit reaction and fail it. Okay, so I was a break even on this one. Okay, here he give me a here order block, like see, you see a wick which can take out the liquidity, and many confluences, many one is sitting here for a sell, and like this, and change of character, many things like this happen, but it was a fake. Okay, so you have to watch out the R probability. Okay, so what happened next, price go downside. Okay, but I took the trade on this area aggressively with these much 4 pips or 5 pip by spread 5 pip I think, and I set the target to the low of the session. Okay, because price if took out the outside liquidity, it must go to take out the liquidity of the low of the session, or any equal lows like here or something like this. Okay, understood. Okay, but what happened, when price break the next structure here, I set my move to break even. It doesn't matter for me sometime. What happened, price come back to the area. Okay, price come back to the area and step me out on break even, and move down. That's me, for me normal, no problem. Okay, but I don't want to a loss. Okay, probably I put 1 pip downside, and there was some profit, but it doesn't matter because sometimes spread and these things also cut these all things. Okay. Okay, so now what I will show you, the real entry which I took from the top of the that one. Okay, because that time when my price was here, the liquidity is not taken. Once the liquidity is taken, I am very confirmed that if price give me any indication here, I will put a sale limit, even my stop loss for 10 pips, no problem. Because if price give you a liquidity zone area, must take out the trade on the counter, even no problem. Okay, so I put here, price came back aggressively and hit your stop loss or trap you or something. Somebody made profit as well here, no doubt. 10 pips, 5 pips for some people is also good, and I was out on a break even. Okay, so many times you will break hit your stop loss, so it doesn't mean you are wrong on your PIs. Sometimes this happen, maybe price go for upside for liquidity and you can get another chance for the trade. Okay, so price take out the liquidity here, and I was set my change of character here. Okay, because this is a valid pullback, a big green candle, a red candle, a valid pullback here. Okay, I will, okay, my pullback is go upside. Okay, these were not a valid pullback because this was a highest candle, green candle. Okay, not this, because this move was inter. So who take out the low of the green candles? These consecutive black candles. This is the order flow. Okay, these order flow also you have to know. I will explain you in SMC order flow and order block, fair value, everything. Don't worry about that. Okay, just see how I took the entry. Then next I move price gave me a reaction. Okay, here I got this order block, price give me a reaction. Okay, and it's fail. Okay, it's fail. So in the leg I need an inducement and order block to trade this area. Okay, just a moment, bro. Okay, I didn't find here. Okay, price is moving aggressively. Here is the our low, which if broken to many time. Okay, what happened now? Price take out the inducement here, the valid inducement need to be taken out. Okay, why this valid, why this not? Because we, as per our valid pullback for a downtrend, the candle must take out the high of the previous candle. So here is the high and this is the lowest candles. Okay, green and black, whatever. Okay, so we have wait for two price take out this entry. Okay, oh wait, where are you going, bro? Wait, I will tell you here. He take out the liquidity inducement. Okay, after take out the inducement, many people enter here, but I didn't get any candlestick here for me to trade. So upside I will mark out the POIs. In SMC structure, I told you last time that only two POIs will work. Okay, these order flow, first one after the inducement, the first order flow, and the in extreme. Okay, where in extreme? This one. Okay, this candle. Okay, so I will wait. Let me delete this. Okay, I have two POIs. If price tap here and give me something single mitigation or liquidity, I will enter here with the stop loss of this much or 5 pips like this and put my target as per the as per the liquidity, okay, or as per the hour structure. So let me see, let me push upside. Okay, price tap in my POI. Let's see the reaction. What happened? Yeah, you see what happened here. Price take out the previous, okay, and move downside. Single candle mitigation. I mark out this candle. The third candle will in the trade, third candle, I put stop loss upside little, 2 pips, 3 pips, no problem, and target first one here as per liquidity, okay, second one here after price breakout these low, not this one because this is the internal, okay, these low you set a break even. I set a break even, and the second one is our this pullback or this liquidity area, okay, and if price go more down we have an Asia low here which is equal this support level or something, and even is further downside this equal low where the price at the previous day shoot out due to the news, okay. So let's play out our entry here. As you see, price tap in, and after that also you make entry here, also you make another entry here if you miss first one. What happened? Price come, take out the inducement, give you this inducement. Here was the order block, and you again take entry here, set the same, and you was in the trade, and here was the game which I see this candle and I was very happy that price will really shoot down, and I got 130 pips on EURUSD, and after when I see the price is consolidating I was out, okay. So this how I took the trade on EURUSD. Believe me, I will also make video on all this stuff like flip entry, flip model entry, single candle mitigation, or a liquidity taken, everything. Don't worry about. You can also find out if you found any trade, any setup where the previous market take the liquidity, you can take that trade as well. Okay, what does mean by that? I will show you here I will show you some example. Yeah, like this here. Even it's a small move. Here was the order block, right? Does it take the liquidity? Of London? Yeah, it's take the liquidity. Okay. Here you can catch the move of the London low. That's why I tell you mark out the liquidity area. This was the liquidity area, price take and go upside, okay. You can also find another area as well like this one, okay, and we can see here if we found any trade, these move also sometime previous. Guys, sorry, my net was slow. So anyhow, in this video I hope you learn many things. Guys, I have a Telegram channel where I post trades on daily basis. I post this trade of USD JPY. This is on my strategy. It's not SMC ICT or other price action. This is my strategy. I will reveal after I got a 1000 subscriber on YouTube, and also some community in the Telegram to share this strategy, where I put these limits, and we got 304 pips on USD JPY on I put this trade on basically 27th of the July. So make sure you join this Telegram channel, link in the below, okay. So meet you in the next video. Thank you very much. Best of luck.